actually going to go run and help guide Marvin from FlexRocksRollovers on some of the trails out here in SandHollow, which, as you guys know, is kind of our backyard now. All right, guys, so we are here. We're trying to help. So we're on the dunes here. Unfortunately, Marvin's rig here, unfortunately, has gotten really hot. And so the overflow hose is leaking radiator fluid. But a trick I learned is if the hose from the radiator, if that's hot, that can sometimes indicate is that the thermostat isn't opening. And so it's just a trick I learned. Anybody have any tricks to get that to open up? Just for the time being would be great. Let me know. You may already know, Marvin from FlexRocksRollovers clearly doesn't need to be like guided like through obstacles. I think he just really needed to like guidance, like where does the trail go? Don't scratch it! Right, round two, he's gonna try it again. Awesome. There they are. We got Dixie 4-wheel drive with us. Yes! Woo!
Nice job, Marvin.
Woo! Nice job. Heck yeah. SandHollow 4x4 is out here wheeling. We just got back from SEMA. The front's not spinning. So Bryce from Dixie 4-wheel drive has caught up with us. It's gonna be so fun to have everybody with us. It's gonna be a ball. Looks like it's okay. At first I just didn't think some tires were spinning, but they're good.
Yeah, good to meet you. How about you?
What's up? We're just on Double Sammy today. I have needed to get out in the hills for a minute now, and so we received a phone call, and huge shout out. We appreciate you. Thanks, Walter. Anyways, thanks for giving us a someone to take out. We appreciate that, and it just so happens to be Marvin from FlexRocksRollovers. And the individual that was with Marvin is actually Alex. And he is the one that did the phenomenal paint job. Mind you, paint job. It is a graffiti specialized paint job on that rig. It is not a wrap. It is absolutely so cool to see in person how just detail oriented he is. His name is Alex, if I understand it correctly. And I think he can be found as Stilbruck, STILBRUCH. On Instagram and on Facebook. So go check him out, guys. Super rad dude, super fun to hang out with. Just a really all-around great people. It was him and his girlfriend out there, and I don't think she's ever been there at all. So it was really cool to see her reaction in the hills, and you guys will see that too. If you guys are looking for guided off-road tours, hit us up. That's www.sandhollow4x4.co, and go check out the website. Those are on there as well. So we'll see you on the next obstacle. Oh, almost. Yes! Woo! Sweet! That was awesome! Very nice.
Yeah, I've seen people do it. Yeah, you can drive back down.
They're gonna try and go I'm just kidding. I'm totally joking.
You know he doesn't care, okay?
Oh! Marvin's letting someone else drive. Just kidding. You got this. Totally got this. Get them all strapped in. Getting ready to go. She's a little bit worried. He'll do great. So is this his first time out here too?
No, but his first time driving.
Oh.
In this.
He's totally got this. He's in a very equipped rig, and Marvin's great. He'll get him up just fine. Let's see what happens. All right, here we go. His first time driving. He's a good friend of Marvin's. They are here from Germany. Now you gotta do it again. Backwards. Heck yeah. So awesome. Marvin, are you trying the right line? Yeah. Oh, she's riding. Oh yeah. Hop in there. This is her first time here, I think. So she's gonna do amazing. Heck yeah. You're with a really good driver. You got this. She's a little nervous, I think. That's it. Oh, if he crawls this, that'd be awesome. Hi, Tim, come on, go, 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 go! Yeah! Woo! Going around again. New line. We're gonna do the switcheroo again. He's gonna get belted in here. Was that kind of nerve-wracking the first time? Was it? For a first-time driver. Got it. Here we go. We got this. First time driving.
Okay. Langsam da. Ja.
Here we go.
Time lap.
Are you gonna get one now?
Yeah, he already said if he would live here, that's the first thing he would do tomorrow.
Okay, perfect. I got one for sale.
Yeah?
It's a 6-door. We got the 6-door from Steve Maxfield. It's off for sale right now. There you go. Fit the whole family. So as you guys can see, I am not on Double Sammy anymore. I forgot to do the end video. So here it is, guys. We're back in the garage, and stay tuned because you see all this right here? These are all parts that are gonna be going on Crush a Con or Chewy. Put in the comments, what do you think we're gonna do? Anyways, if you guys want a tour guide, off-road tour guide, ride along, or off-road instruction classes, hit us up at www.sandhollow4x4.co. And for now, I'm gonna tune off. Thank you so much for watching. Be kind, be safe, don't stop dominating. We'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.